So let's see how to do zoom in and zoom out using the DaVinci Resolve and or any type of animation. So this is the one animation we'll be seeing as example, but using this trick you can do any animation in DaVinci Resolve. So if you see this video clip, it is a very simple one where just the people are moving but the scene is very constant and the cloud is moving. So what I want is to zoom in to these pillars and then zoom out. So to do so, what you have to do is just go to the keyframe. So let's say in the starting we are over here. So this is the keyframe we want to use as the beginning keyframe. So from here it will start zooming in. So let's select this clip to see the options over here. And if you can see, we have these keyframes. So I can just attach these keyframes, just enable it at this point. So as you can see, it is enabled over here, and you can see these options over here. If you click it, you will see there these keyframes are added over here. So you see these are the keyframes, and if you select these keyframes, just go on over here and you will see this is the values at this point. At this keyframe, the values are 1 for zoom at x-axis and y-axis, and then position is also 0 0. So I don't want to change the position, I just want to zoom in and zoom out. You can change the position, you can rotate it as well, and so many other things. So you can play around with all of these options and make your animation, all of these, wherever you see this keyframes attached, you can just select it, mark it, and then change it at a later point. So let's see how we do it for zoom. I have selected all, but you can just select the zoom option as well, because we won't be touching all of these options. So just the zoom option is fine. So you can see it over here. We have the first one over here, and then when we go in the center, I want to zoom in. So I don't want to zoom out, actually I just want to zoom in and then go to next video. So I think till here is fine. So I'll just first clip it over here. So to clip it, just Command Shift and closed brackets. So clip it. And then just before this over here at this point, I want to zoom in. So just select over here the keyframes and then zoom in to the point till where you want to zoom in. So I think till here is fine. And this is it. So as you run your cursor in the timeline as well, you can see it how it zoom in. So if I go over here, play it, and it goes here, and then it starts zooming in to this monument. And then once it's zoomed in, it will reach over here and it will go to the next video. And there you go. We have come to the next video. So this is how you play around with the animation. You can select the keyframes and then change it at some later point in your timeline. And then it will like zoom in, zoom out. You can rotate it. You can do all sort of thing. You can change the positioning. Many people do the positioning thing because they want to show certain thing in their video. So let's say in this video you want to show the user this house only, not the whole thing. So you'll just position to over here in this zoom location, and then your video will be zoomed to that location only.